Honorable members, respected jury, we are Team Whiplash and we are presenting Navigo. For years, Kerala transport planning has been based on slow, manual and costly surveys. This approach yields fragmented data, making precise origin-destination planning and route optimization difficult. Our project Navigo is an AI-powered data utility designed to provide the Kerala's government with continuous, real-time and high-fidelity OD metrics. We eliminate the service bottleneck and deliver the evidence-based insights you need to shape your transport future.
Navigo. Navigo is a dual benefit platform for government. It provides real-time origin destination data without surveys, supporting evidence-based policy making, congestion management and smart city planning. For citizens, it travel companion, logging trips, reducing cost and suggesting the fastest, cheapest or most comfortable route. For technology stack, it's robust, React Native for the front end, fast API for the back end, advanced algorithms like A star and Dijkstra's algorithm for fast routing, and secure storage in PostgreSQL with extension of PostGIS. Data is anonymized, compliant with DPDP Act 2023 and collected only with consent of a user.
User selects location like Alua to Ernakulam and toggle between public and private transportations. Routes are redefined by fastest, cheapest or comfortable options, displayed with travel time and directions. Trips are logged via smart travel and end journey. Feedback ensures quality. A dedicated emergency section links to police, ambulance, fire brigade and women's helpline. Behind the scenes, each trip feeds anonymized data to governments, giving them real-time mobility insights.
Why are we different from others? Because unlike unregular navigation app that only serves users, Navigo is built for government first. Google Maps or Ride apps show directions that don't share aggregated OD data with the authorities. Manual surveys collect data but they're outdated and expensive. Other travel apps focus only commuters. We bridge both worlds. Navigo is the only platform where every citizen journey automatically strengthens government planning. That's our edge. For governments and planners, Navigo delivers high-fidelity OD matrix data and transparent mobile data, actionable insights to optimize routes, reduce congestion, and increase trust in governance. And for the society, the result is clear: reduced emission, stronger smart city infrastructure, and more reliable public
Navigo
transport.
is low cost, compliant and scalable. Built on open source resources like OpenStreetMaps, it minimizes cost. It runs on all Android devices, ensuring mass adoptions. Legally, it is DPDP Act 2023 complaint consent driven, anonymized and privacy focused. Scalability is built in from Kochi to every Indian smart city tomorrow, with future modules like congestion prediction, unified ticketing and smart parking.
Compliant Navigo is not just a travel app, it is a government tool for smarter mobility. We give policymakers accurate, real-time OD data for better planning. We give citizens safer, faster and cheaper journeys. And we give India's cities a path towards being truly smart. That's what makes us different. We are Team Whiplash and we are ready to revolutionize urban mobility. Thank you. So thank you for watching our video. Let's make Kerala a better place.